Now we are going to discuss about the reactivity series. The reactivity series, in simple terms, is a series used to place metals in order of their reactivity. So we are going to say that reactivity series is a series used to place metals in order. Series used to place metals in their order of reactivity. Series used to place metals in their order of reactivity. Now, when you look at these series, they are somehow broad. The series consists of a variety of elements. Yeah, I'm not going to say that it's restricted to a certain group of metals, but when you look at the periodic table, we have a lot of chemical elements. Yes, and on that table we have a lot of metals. The table comprises of very many metals. Yeah, we have lanthanides, we have actinides, we have transition metals, etc., etc. But at this level, as far as these series are concerned, at this level, we are only going to be interested in a few elements. Yes, in a few elements. So I'm going to give a summary of the series, but it doesn't necessarily mean that those are the main elements which constitute the series. No, at this level we have some few elements which we stop at. Not that we are going to cover each and every element here. So as we've said that it's a series used to place metals in their order of reactivity. So we have to come up with this series. So we have to generally we consider chemical reactions. Generally, we consider chemical reactions of metals. We consider chemical reactions of metals with different substances. For example, we consider their reaction with water. Now, underwater, we can look at their reaction with cold water. Different substances, e.g. water, i.e. Cold water and steam. Then we also look at their reactivity with air. I.e. oxygen gas. Also, we look at their reactivity with what? With dilute acids. Dilute acids, e.g. hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. So fundamentally, we look at their reactivity with dilute amino acids, which are hydrochloric, sulfuric, and nitric acid. Then we shall also look at different substances. Fundamentally, we shall look at those three categories of reactions. But we can as well talk about what competition reactions. We let me say under this chapter, we also look at competition and displacement reactions among metals. So also look at competition and displacement reactions among metals. Some metals are more competitive than the other. Some metals displace others in a particular chemical reaction. Yeah, such things. What else now? So basically, that is the brief introduction of this series. So it's like we are going to react metals. We are going to react metals with water. Now, during that consideration of metals reacting with water, we shall be able to group metals in their order of reactivity. We shall come up with a particular order, starting with the most reactive metal with cold water, followed by the other, and at the bottom we shall have the least reactive metal with water. Similarly, the same applies to their reaction with air. We shall react metals with oxygen, or we shall burn them. We shall carry out their combustion. Then we shall be able to come up with the most reactive metal with oxygen and the least reactive metal with oxygen. It's like we are going to arrange metals. We are going to come up with a series which demonstrates how elements react, starting with the most reactive, followed by the second, up to the bottom where we have the least reactive. So that is the brief introduction of reactivity series.